Next, I want to welcome Senator Joe Manchin, Chairman of the Energy and Natural Resources Committee, to our virtual stage.
Hello, I'm Senator Joe Manchin, Chairman of the Senate Energy and Natural Resources Committee. I'm so pleased to be able to join you all for this year's ARPA-E Innovation Summit. I'd like to begin by acknowledging the great work that the staff of ARPA-E and their partners in universities, startups, and elsewhere across the country are doing to advance energy technologies. Since its founding, ARPA-E has tackled the challenges facing early phase technologies across the entire energy landscape, with notable successes in over 1,000 funded projects. And in the coming years, you all will be needed more than ever as we look to innovation and new energy technologies to fuel domestic manufacturing and supply chains, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, compete around the world, and power our economy. To ensure this success going forward, Congress passed the Energy Act into law at the end of 2020 with language that enables ARPA-E's mission to grow over time to $750 million in annual funding. We also expanded ARPA-E's mission to include complex issues like addressing nuclear waste, an ongoing issue that may greatly benefit from new technological approaches. That was a significant part of the Energy Act portfolio of new tools and investments at the Department of Energy, spanning nuclear, carbon capture, utilization and sequestration, renewable energy, storage, and energy efficiency technologies, just to name a few. It is my hope that you all will look to the other parts of DOE and the national laboratories to identify partnerships and pathways forward. I should also point out that throughout all this, ARPA-E's mission, funding, and track record have earned significant bipartisan support in the United States Senate. Members on both sides recognize the need to keep the United States on the cutting edge of energy technologies. ARPA-E is an outstanding example of what we can achieve by working together and finding ways to build ambition and address the challenges that face our nation. When it comes to tackling climate change, I believe in innovation, not elimination, and I'm committed to a diverse energy mix. On an almost daily basis, we see challenges confronting our energy sector, from the recent cyber attacks to the ongoing mounting threat of climate change and extreme weather. Tackling climate change requires that we use all of our abundant resources in the cleanest way possible to ensure energy stays affordable, reliable, and resilient and dependable. That relies on the hard work and exciting ideas that each of you brings to this program. Congress has and will continue to make progress on the technologies and policies that we need, but there is much more work to do. Part of that work rests in your hands. I'd like to close by inviting each of you to consider the impact you would have by taking your work at ARPA-E and the technologies you produce to places like my home state of West Virginia. As much as the world needs your innovations, the communities and workers that have powered our nation for the past 50 years need your investment even more, and they are standing by ready to deliver. We've got a lot to do this Congress, and I hope to work with you all, both to reinvest in the places where workers need your support and to harness your aspirations to keep the United States in the lead on energy technologies. Thank you, and God bless you all, and keep up the incredible good work you're doing.